Picnic pala ito ba?
You guys, I got a really cool new gadget that boils my tea right at my desk, and so I will have tea like right next to me, and I don't have to get up and use the microwave to heat up my water. And I also have this cool little gadget right here too, where I can press the button and it turns into a hand warmer or a backup battery. So I have this hand warmer when I'm out there in the morning greeting students, and it is 36 degrees like it was yesterday. My hands were super warm, and I can also just keep it in my pocket, and it'll just kind of warm up my pocket. And so I shook a parent's hand today, and they were so like pleasantly surprised with how warm my hand was, and we were outside and it was super cold, so I could tell they just wanted to hold my hand forever.
Alright, we're trying to boil some water. Here's the temperature of the water in the portable kettle. And then here is my 300 watt battery bank. And we're drawing about 256 watts. And we're plugged in on the back side here, running at 60 hertz.
Here is my little tea kettle. I love it. It is so beautiful. I ended up decorating it to make it so much better and just more my style and personalized. But, you know, kind people are my people, of course. But yeah, love it.
I'm using every day this thermos flask. Put the water in there and warm it and drink every morning. Is easy, very convenient. To put my bedroom, I don't need to go downstairs, upstairs, just warm it water and drink it. It's very easy. Thank you.
best practice